Welcome to English Total Grammar Lessons. Chapter 12, the First Conditional. Over the next few weeks, we will be covering slightly more advanced grammar points. And today we're going to start with the first conditional. The first conditional is a structure that you can use to say that something will happen if certain conditions are met. For instance,
if you help me finish my work, I will pay for lunch today.
Okay, I will stay and help you if you pay for coffee as well.
Great, it's a deal.
Okay, let's have a closer look at how to form conditional sentences. The first conditional is divided into two sentences. The first sentence starts with if, followed by the subject and then the verb in present tense. And it describes the condition. The second sentence is formed by the subject, followed by will or won't, and the verb in infinitive form, and it describes the result or consequence of the condition. Take a look at these examples.
If we go by bus, it will be cheaper.
Note that you can change the order of the sentences with no major difference in meaning.
It will be cheaper if we go by bus.
If I don't hurry, I will miss my train. I will miss my train if I don't hurry.
Once again, let's restate that changing the order of the sentences does not alter the meaning. Let's continue. One thing to consider about the first conditional is that it's a structure that can often be used to negotiate deals, and this is one of its most common uses. Take a look at this example.
If you order 100 units, we will give you a 10% discount.
This example illustrates that if the condition is met, which means that if the person orders 100 units, there will be a consequence, and as a result, the person will get a 10% discount. Usually how a negotiation goes. Finally, let's take a moment to talk about if and when and how they can be used with the first conditional. The word if indicates that something is possible and may happen. For instance,
if I win the lottery, I will buy a bigger house.
In this example, the man believes that he may win the lottery one day, which is unlikely but not impossible. When, however, indicates that something is certain to happen.
When I win the lottery, I will buy a bigger house.
In the second example, the man really believes that he will eventually win the lottery. He is thinking that it's only a matter of time until his dream of being rich comes true. Okay then, time to wrap things up. In today's lesson, you have learned how to form the first conditional. You have learned that you can use it to talk about the results of events if certain conditions take place. You have also learned that the first conditional can be used when you want to negotiate a deal, for example. We hope this lesson was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to take a conversation course with us, post in the comments. See you in the next lesson. This is the end of Chapter 12.